Every home design and owner is different. Whether you have an electric car, a pool, a spa, or just like to run the AC with the doors open, we've seen it over the last 24 years. We customize each system to your usage as well as your home aesthetically. It really matters where you put your money. Solar is the one improvement you are already paying for. For less than your SDG&E bill, you can provide an asset to your home that pays for itself in an average 4 years. All right, so we're here in Del Mar at a brand new custom home that we've been working on for a few months while it's being built. This is the brand new Solar Edge HD Wave inverter, which has no display. As you can see, there's no display on it. You can talk to it with your cell phone, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this is the rooftop in Del Mar. This customer went with the glass Sunpreme bifacial module. So what that means is it gets reflective energy for any of the sun that hits this white reflective roof that is really bright. You can't even take it up here without glasses. It reflects up and you get a boost from the back side of the modules. So call us for a system quote. We have 0 down loans and you keep the 30% tax credit. With basic info, we'll send you a pre-site visit quote on your email and you can see your savings today.